friends, welcome to Creating with Jovi and to Christmas in July Swap 2026. So this is my second video and today I will be opening my second package. I want to be sure to mention our host is Carol at A Crinkled Path and our co-hosts are Trish at Crafty Whimsy, Susan at I Truly Love It, Angela at The Traveling Crafter, and Sierra at Cooley Craft Corner. I will link all of them in my description box below, as well as the rest of the collaborators. So hopefully you can enjoy the fun with us. All right, let's get into our second package. In today's package, we are to receive 3 junk journal or paper craft items. So let's have a look and see what my secret Santa sent to me. But first, look at that paper. How cute is that? I love it so much. It's just so cute. Well, I do love a pink Christmas, and I'll be very sad when it goes out of style, but I'm enjoying it while we have it. Oh my, look, oh, deliciousness, hello. Okay, I'm loving this already and I haven't even gotten into it. Well, we have a tag and I love it. And then we have, wow, look at this piece of rose trim. It's so pretty. And look at this deliciousness. Look at that color, you guys. Oh my goodness, love it so much. Look at this, it's so pretty. Green flowers. Oh, look at the gorgeous little roses. Look, aren't they so pretty? Love that trim. Oh, and some pretty pink trim. Oh, it's delightful. Oh my goodness, look. Love it. Oh, and look at this one. Oh, it's so pretty. I was laughing because I keep saying, oh, look at this, look at this. And you know, you're watching my video, of course you're looking at it. So I was laughing at myself. Oh, this is so cute, a J for Jovi. Oh my goodness. That's great. And we've got some Tim Holtz people and some pretty flowers. I've been working on getting my ephemera organized, you guys. For those of you that don't know, we just moved, and so I have a new craft room, and so I am organizing it, and so I've gotten my ephemera organized really nicely. I bought more notebooks and everything, so I'll share that with you guys. Look at this, love, and some more people, cute. Oh, look how cute this is. Aw, film strip. Oh, look at the cute bows. Adorable. Can you see them okay? Here, hold on. Look, aren't they pretty? So pretty. And then some more tags. This one says rubber stamps. Cute little, like, advertisement. Oh, these are great. Oh my gosh, thank you so much, Secret Santa. I appreciate you and everything that you sent to me. It's all so delicious. To you guys, thanks for watching. See you soon.